Good morning. Welcome to my first edition of Dangerous Tree Removal. This morning we're going to be talking about removing a big hardwood. As you can see behind me, there's an oak tree that is in between two power lines, actually a fiber optic line and a power line. Let me flip the camera around here and let's have a look. As you can see, my track hoe is sitting underneath power lines. And then over here you can see there's another line, fiber optic line. It's probably a 50 pair aerial line. And this oak tree, which is I'm gonna walk around this side over here. See, it's an intersection of two lines. One which I'm going to be sitting under, and the other which is on the opposite side of the tree I'm going to be removing today. See right here, they come together at this line. One runs that way, one runs that way. But you can see it's yeah, that's where I'm going to be sitting, and there's the line on the opposite side of the tree. See, there's limbs all over. Yeah, good times. Take a pause for the cause. See you back in the cab.